So if I'm looking for some energy to fill up a battery, instead of indirectly and inefficiently going through a bunch of different energy sources and losing a bunch at every step along the way, it makes way more sense to just go directly to the source. And so with that in mind, I busted out the power tools and put 24 100-watt solar panels over our garage. But there was a problem with this. When NASA sent the solar-powered twin rovers to Mars in 2004, it didn't take long until the solar panels were totally covered in dust, which effectively crippled the rover because they couldn't get as much energy from the sun. And this was a huge issue. But then we got lucky and a mini tornado came by and cleaned them off, restoring the power. It turns out these mini tornadoes are actually pretty common on Mars, which is why she is still driving around today, nearly more than 14 years later. This is also in part why on the next rover we sent to Mars, we just killed the issue altogether and slapped a nuclear reactor on the back. And while California isn't Mars, it does get pretty dusty here, so to ensure that wouldn't happen to me, I invited over some really smart future engineers, scientists, and creators.